Hi, this is Larry. Thank you for stopping by. This video is about a Predator 3500 watt cleaning the spark arrestor. It's a very easy job, and the video will explain most of it to you. You got 6 Phillips screws you're going to take off and remove the back cover. Okay, this is your spark arrestor right here. All you got is two 10 millimeter bolts. You're just going to take them out. That will pull right out once you get it. That's the spark arrestor. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a wire brush and wire brush all the soot and carbon off of it and put it back in. It's that simple. It's nothing hard. The wire brush will hit you in it sometimes, so beware of that. Just pull it out straight and you should be okay. This thing gets blocked right up. Your generator won't run, or will run very badly. So you want to make sure it's always clean, because you never know when you're going to need a generator for an emergency, so you want to make sure you're ahead of it. I'm also going to post some other videos on how to clean your spark plug, how to clean your air filter, and change the oil on it. I just stick this back in, put your little bolts back in. Careful not to cross thread them. You don't want to strip anything out. I use an impact, but if you want to feel safe that you don't strip it, you can use a little ratchet and do it by hand. But if you're careful with the impact, you're fine. And you're just going to put the cover in. The bottom goes in first. Then put your 6 screws back in. It's that simple. You're done. In a few minutes, you're done. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you out. Please subscribe to the channel and watch out for more of them. Thank you for watching.